Children, do you know who am I? Yes, I think you have guessed right. I'm a clock. I have mainly two hands. One is minute hand and another is hour hand. My hour hand is smaller than minute hand. Yes, now I am totally completed. I am the clock. And you are seeing here how many numbers? There are 12 numbers. And in the red mark, I have given the red mark to emphasize on some of the numbers. Now see some of the models of me. The first model is from Japan. It is an antique. Draw my hands when the time will be 20 minutes after 6 o'clock. Now guess it, where will be the 6, where will be 3, where will be 9 and where will be 12. That means you have to draw the minute hand at which number? Yes, at. Now see one of the picture photograph. Now who is he? He is giving his self-introduction. Let's hear him. Let me introduce myself. I am Raj Chakraborty. I read in class 5 in St. Augustine's Day School in Shamnagar. I think you have heard the place Shamnagar just after Ichhapur here. Now what he is telling to you? He is telling that I will show you some of my photographs which I preserved in my photo album. Observe these pictures and give me the answer. Now see the photograph. The first photograph of Raj Chakraborty. When I was born on 3rd November 1997. Children have record these information. When I was born on 3rd November 1997. And the next photograph is when I was 3 months old. Wow! You also became a tiny tot, a very little child, a baby once upon a time. Now look at the next photograph. Wow! When I was about 5 months old, I started sitting. I think this was the first day when he sat. Now look at this figure. Wow, Raj is smiling, laughing. Why? Now he is telling here, when I was 10 months old, I started walking. So this is I think perhaps this is the first day when he started walking. The picture is not so much clear, but still he is laughing and smiling. It is exposing out of the photograph. Now this is the time for questions. This is the question time. Now when I was born, Raj is now asking you, think of it and tell the answer. How many of you have recorded this? Yes, tell me this. Yeah. The second question he is asking, when I completed my 3 months old, what was the date? Actually, what was the date when he completed his 3 months? What was the date when he completed his 3 months? Now at last we reached the station in time by car. I was highly excited. So see the picture, it is given the station where he reached. But at that next moment, what he is telling? But to my utter surprise, I found the train already left the station in the morning 6:30. Actually, my mom was wrong because the time mentioned in the train ticket is always in 24. Now come to the time chart now. This time chart you will, this 24-hour clock time, it is available in the timetable of railway timetable. So don't get confused over there. In the left side it is written all the 12-hour clock time, and it is in the right you will find out all the 24-hour clock time. Actually, the day starts right from 12 o'clock at midnight. At 12 o'clock midnight, we generally, as in 24-hour clock time, it is 0000 hours. Now come to the another concept, and you know that morning starts at 12 midnight, and it is denoted by AM. So 1 o'clock in the morning it is 1 AM, 2 o'clock in the morning it is 2 AM, 3 o'clock in the morning it is 3 AM, then again 11 o'clock it is in the morning it is 11 AM, and after that you will reach to 12 o'clock, that is at 12 noon, and after 12 noon it becomes PM, that is evening part. 1 o'clock. Now it's a project for you. See newspaper for 10 days and note down the timing for sunrise and sunset and make a record of it. So I have learned many things about the time. The first, I can read the clock very efficiently. Then I can calculate the days, years and the months.